Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be presenting about our project design, that is the Sokul Pacman for the course Design Engineering AG 22803. We were given a task to create a design of a machine that can help to collect trash along the shore near Shangri-La Resort Tanjung Aru Jetty. Meanwhile, the budget for this project is around RM500 ringgit. Therefore, we need to focus on designing the product by using low-cost material which is strong enough to withstand any condition that occurs around the location. With the main idea that came from our leader and also supported with more brilliant ideas that generated by our team members, thus, this is how Sokul Pacman was developed.
For the problem statement of the project, Shangri-La Tanjung Aru Resort Kota Kinabalu recently faced with trash problem along coastline. The trash may distract the customer, thus it can bring bad effect to the resort. The problem should be identified and settled systematically. For the objective of the project, there are mainly two objectives, which is to create fresh-free environment at Shangri-La Tanjung Aru Resort, Kota Kinabalu coastline, and to create a high durable prototype model to trap floating trash.
Okay, moving on to the product design section. The material that we use to build our product is polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC, that cover entire body for our design structure. The design was inspired from the spherical and elliptical ADCP buoy that we normally see floating on the sea surface. This concept is suitable for this project as we will be placed in the seawater. In order to make this structure half floating in the water, we put some small pebbles inside the base and the wall of our product and seal it using the PVC glue. Meanwhile, to support the structure from wash away by the wave, 3 stainless steel weight balls or rod will be installed on the bottom side of the base structure. The gate wall is placed inside the Pacman mouth between the top side and the bottom side of the structure. It has the pointed shape on both ends of each wall to ensure that the trash will not be stuck along its way into the Pacman mouth. For the trash gate, we will be using silicone that will be shaped by us using the mold. The function of the gate is just like the one we above. This gate has its own shape that will make the trash that pass through it and finally got stuck inside the fish net that will be attached at the rear side of the machine.
Hello doctor, my name is Muhammad Yasin and I will present about the cost estimate for this design. We use PVC as a main material for this design. 1 feet length of PVC equal to RM36 ringgit. So the total for 6 feet are RM216 and 10 cents. We also use C hook 6 pieces. Total is 5 ringgit. Next, we use 3-piece steel ball for balancing and the total price is 54 ringgit. For the gate, we use silicone glue 1 unit equal to 7 ringgit. Troll for the rubbish 1 unit and the total is 70 ringgit. Lastly, we use rope 5 meter length for connect the troll with the clip is 8 ringgit. The total price for all this material are 360 and 10 ringgit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Moving on, I will continue with the specialty of our project, which is the Sokul Pacman. For this eco-friendly product, it is a high durability product, low-cost product, it can grab a huge number of trash, and it can also be customized. Our Sokul Pacman is a high durability product. We use PVC, which is light, strong, and not easily rusted. It is the same with the other material that we use, which is the stainless steel. In addition, we also hook our Pacman with polyester rope, which is strong to the cliff hanger. Next, our Sokul Pacman is a low-cost product. The main material that we use, which is PVC, is much cheaper than any other materials. It can also be obtained through the recycling centers. Moreover, for maintenance, it doesn't cost us a huge amount of money. Other than that, suitable with the main function of our product, it can trap a huge number of rubbish around the sea. The rubbish that have been trapped inside our pigment will not flow out due to the trash gate that we have inserted in our Sokul pigment. Last but not least, our Sokul pigment can be customized into any design that we want, including the cat head design. This way, it can make it as one of the most beautiful attractions for visitors at the Shangri-La Resort Tanjung Aru.
To conclude, the product experiencing significant changes in terms of the materials used and its exterior look. Our team strongly believes the changes we have made can maximize the capability of the product to solve the problems faced by staff.